ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ulampang jong kayeng dorbar thawan uba Metbah lingdo haga arpo kundai tarik ubanan naiwing arajar arpo way. Ulapin pau ba undang hapan Bishar banyak Shwa bin pabin halor ka Jingmudui jong ka Kongres Pyrshah ki khat Ngut ki MLA ki bala pet bandaj penyaso sha ka sengsan perthai Trinamool Congress. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ba Metbah lingdo uliya tho ba yakani ka kam undang haban shong Bishar banyak namar ba kaya to kho bat ka an kentiap seng jong ka kernit ka ba shipho jong ka riti senshar kari India.
I have received it's a big bunch of paper and well I have to again look into it and see what is to be done. I have to go through the entire it's a big bunch of people. One book is carrying this much, almost 12 bunch of those documents. Yeah, it's been very briefed. They said that defection is attracts a disqualification on the detention. That's all. Its own time because I have received the letter from the 12 MLAs last week, and in fact I have started, but because I was out of town most of the time, so I could not focus on those files. In fact, today I thought of continuing with the same, but the Congress party paid a visit to me and submitted all those documents complaining about those 12 MLAs who have defected from their party. No, I am not. That's what the matter is under examination. So, no comment on anything else. That is all these nitty-gritties has to be looked into. So you need a proper examination so that the ruling or the decision will be made accordingly. The office of the assembly will declare. So that is their internal party matters. I mean, I have nothing to say on that.
So you have to recognize.
See, they can claim, whatever it is. So all these things, are part of the examination. I will not say much on this. I have to give me some space so that I will be able to examine the matter thoroughly, and we will inform you accordingly.